Hello dear students, welcome to this new video of HSC ICT Practical series. Today we are going to talk about our 10th experiment, which is arrays in C programming. Now, what is array? Array is a kind of data structure that can store a same types of elements, means collection of elements in just one variable. We do not need to initialize multiple variables to store multiple data of same types. Let's go to code blocks. Let's make a new file. To save it first, we are saving experiment 10 arrays in C, and the file type will be C. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's include the header file. Standard input output header file, then the main function, then the main function block. Now you want to save 3 integer type values, then you might write integer a equal 10, b equal 20 and c equal 30. You are assigning 3 integer type variable. It will take 3 integer type memory to the memory location. Now the storing 3 values in 3 variables are not efficient enough. That's why there is a procedure to make this initialization more efficient, which is with array data structure. Rather than this, we can use only one variable to store 3 values. First we have to write the data type, then say we are taking num as the variable name, and to write the array we have to write the storage size. Say we are taking 5 locations or 5 storage location for this variable, then we have to write the values within the second bracket. The first was 10, then the 20 and then 30. It will work same as this one, but it will take less memory and less hassle in the code. This is the array variable and it has 5 storage spaces. Now those arrays works with indexes. That means the first value, that means the 10, will be stored in number 0. That means it will stored in this index, 0th index of this variable, and the second element, this 20, will be stored in the second index, that means 1. Third index of the array, that means the 2. That means the index of an array starts from 0. Okay, the first element will be stored in the 0th index and the last element will be stored in the third index, as we have 3 variables. Let's print them and see. This is integer type variable, that's why we will use %d. Say we are just want to print this value, then what is the index of this value? It is 1. Okay, let's save it and run this code. See, this is 20. If we just want to print the last index, the 30, that means 0, 1 and 2. Again save it and run. See, this is the expected value. We can assign float type arrays also. Let's write float, then capital N U M. We all knew that C programming is a case sensitive programming language. That means this lowercase num and this uppercase num are different variables. The compiler will treat them as different variables, and here we are taking again 5. Say first one is 2.5, second one is 4.8, and the third one is 5.0. Okay, we're just assigned 3 variables. We can add 2 more because we have 5 storage capacity in here also. Now if we print this, now we have to write %f because this is a float type variable, %f. Now we want to print this value, that means the index of this value is 0. Okay, now again save it and run it. See, it will print 2.5, that means the first element. I hope you have understand the advantages of array in C programming. Now let's move on to the writing part. This is the writing part. This is the theory. These are the equipments needed. These are the procedure. Okay, and this is the syntax we have used in this experiment. And these are the figures. Hope you have understand this topic. Thanks for watching.